More affirmations based on and inspired by the philosophy and teachings of Neville Goddard. I am the operant power, deliberately manifesting my desires through the law of assumption. I am the creator of my reality, shaping it with the magical tool of my imagination. My mind's eye is a powerful instrument, revealing the scenes of my wish fulfilled. I live from the end, knowing that my visions are the seeds of my future reality. The bridge of incidents guides me gracefully towards the fulfillment of my dreams. I am the conscious dreamer, scripting my life's story with purpose and intention. I am a wish fulfillment specialist, turning my desires into tangible manifestations. I embody the feeling of the wish fulfilled, radiating its vibration in every moment. Through my assumption, I awaken the sleeping giant within, the power of my subconscious mind. My thoughts are the architects of my fate, and I choose to build a life of abundance and joy. I am the master alchemist, transmuting doubts and fears into unwavering faith and confidence. The law of reversibility works in my favor, as I persistently assume my desired state until it becomes my reality. I am one with the universal mind, co-creating my experiences in perfect harmony. I am the embodiment of divine love, radiating compassion and kindness to all beings. I am the conductor of my reality orchestra, harmonizing my thoughts, emotions, and actions. I am a mental gardener, nurturing thoughts of prosperity and success in the fertile soil of my mind. I am a living testament to the transformative power of my imagination and assumption. The wish fulfilled is my dwelling place, and I reside there with unwavering faith and gratitude. I am the captain of my soul, steering it towards the shores of my grandest visions. I am a conscious creator of time, bending it to suit the fulfillment of my desires. I am a magnetic force, attracting the people, circumstances, and resources I need to manifest my dreams. The world is my stage, and I am the star of my own show, performing the role of my wish fulfilled. I am a skilled architect of consciousness, designing a life of beauty and abundance. I am a living testament to the truth that assumptions harden into fact, as Neville wisely taught. I am the embodiment of persistence, holding fast to my vision until it crystallizes into reality. I am a master of revision, rewriting past events to align with my desired future. I am a radiant beacon of light, illuminating the path for others to discover their creative power. I am a deliberate manifester, consciously choosing thoughts and feelings that reflect my desires. I am a mental scientist, conducting experiments of assumption to witness the miracles of manifestation. I am a channel for divine inspiration, receiving creative ideas and insights to propel me towards my goals. I am the composer of my life's symphony, orchestrating every note and chord with precision and grace. I am the guardian of my mental kingdom, ensuring that only positive and empowering thoughts reign supreme. I am a divine architect, constructing a reality that surpasses my wildest dreams. I am a living embodiment of gratitude, expressing thankfulness for the abundance that flows into my life. I am the observer of my thoughts, only entertaining those that support my vision of fulfillment. I am a magnet for success and prosperity, drawing these blessings towards me with ease and joy. I am a master of focus, concentrating my mind on my chosen reality with unwavering attention. I am a conscious creator of my emotions, choosing to dwell in states of love, joy, and peace. I am a living demonstration of Neville's teachings, proving the power of assumption in every area of my life. I am the ruler of my imagination, reigning over it with love, wisdom, and purpose. I am a mental alchemist, transforming limiting beliefs into empowering affirmations. I am the embodiment of persistence, faithfully treading the path of my desires until they materialize. I am a magnet for divine guidance, receiving insights and nudges that lead me towards my destined path. I am a living testament to the truth that assumption hardens into fact, as Neville wisely taught. I am a master of revision, rewriting past events to align with my desired future. I am a radiant beacon of light, illuminating the path for others to discover their creative power. I am a deliberate manifester, consciously choosing thoughts and feelings that reflect my desires. I am a mental scientist, conducting experiments of assumption to witness the miracles of manifestation. I am the composer of my life's symphony, orchestrating every note and chord with precision and grace. I am the guardian of my mental kingdom, ensuring that only positive and empowering thoughts reign supreme. God Candy appreciates you for walking steadily on the bridge of incidents to your dream life. Always remember that you are a sweet expression of God and that you deserve the best because you are the best.